A couple months ago, I applied to a fishing influencer challenge, not thinking much of it. Well, that turned out to be one of the best decisions I've ever made.
Oh.
The confetti went that way.
Not only did I find myself a proud owner of a new boat, it's not here yet, but I also won a mountain of tackle. Today I'll be unboxing over $1,000 in fishing lures. Stay tuned and enjoy.
For flathead. As ready as we are to get started with this unboxing, I want to say quick thanks to Shop Karls for sponsoring this video. The general gist of it is basically a site where you can go and get all your fishing gear for cheap if you're a Karls member. I'll have stuff linked down in the description to where you can go buy some stuff. You boys ready? Let's unbox this stuff. Now you might be wondering, why do I have two of my friends here? Ethan and Nick, they each got some money to spend and their stuff is in here as well. We're gonna just have a very fun day of unboxing while we still have this cold morning weather. So what box should we get started with first?
I think the Googan one.
Googan one? Okay, Googan's on top, so might as well. So this right here, $500. Let's start with it. Let's move the Karls to the side. I'm gonna grab y'all, so one of y'all, I mean both of you guys, go through that and just rip through it.
I'll grab you from go first. Sure. Got some big Googan Squad contenders here, bone color. I'm really curious to see what y'all will be catching on these. I got a different one, but yeah, two contenders.
Nick, what you got?
These are two little baits, like tackle storages, and I've never held Googan tackle storages, but these seem really durable and tough.
Oh yeah, these
seem nice.
Yeah, these are the ice boxes. Apparently you can run these over with cars.
I honestly, after feeling them, I believe that. I would believe it.
And we got a bunch of hard baits up here. Like we got bloopers and what are those things called?
Googan Squad zingers.
And then on the bottom, I'm pretty sure we should have a bunch of soft plastics.
Finger Scouts. So you like buying these in pairs of two, Ryan?
Yeah.
How many revolvers did you get?
I think 4.
There's 3. Where's the 4th?
Find the 4th one.
Oh, here it is.
Yeah, all 4 of your revolvers.
There it is. We need to catch something on those pretty soon.
I mean,
Yeah, that would be pretty sweet.
Bluegill color Scout. White color blooper. Mini clutch, I forgot what color. Shotgun shad, that looks pretty cool.
Mini clutch, and like a crayfish pattern, and then like a sexy shad banger. You got
Those are good colors.
You can't go wrong with some lunker logs. Working everything.
So I got a bunch of these tackle boxes because I have a bunch of new lures and I need to get them organized.
Googan stickers.
And I think one of my favorite things from this order is the money bags. You know, I took one of these money bags on my trip to Alabama recently and I found them to be the most helpful thing ever. You know, you can fit a lot of baits in them. They're indestructible, they're waterproof, and you know, they're lighter than tackle boxes. You know, having to carry 3 tackle boxes, it gets tiring when you're just walking around a bunch.
PB&J, how many Rattlin' Ned packs?
Yeah, I got a lot of soft plastics.
Actually, 3. Wait, no, that's, yeah, peanut butter and PB&J.
Yeah, I mean, I love Bandito bugs, so
Yeah.
you know I gotta pick up a bunch.
4 packs.
Yeah. Now these Mondo worms look pretty interesting. Never thrown them before. I'm pretty sure this is a 10-inch. Yeah, this is a 10-inch. Holy cow. And yeah, there's just stickers and stuff left in there, but we pretty much cleared this box out. Whoops. And that is $500 already out of the box. Now we move on to the bigger box. And because I am a Karls member, I saved like 30% on almost everything on their shop. So I was able to get a lot more things in this box. As you can see, it's a lot thicker, taller, wider. Every proportion is bigger. Y'all wanna, oh, it's hard to carry it with one hand. It's so big. Okay, here we go. Y'all go for it.
Go first.
We'll just take my hand in randomly and grab something. We got a pack of Karls Amazing Baits, kind of like stick baits. I'm not sure the color. A sungill.
Yeah, we got so many baits in here, you know, just to save time, I think the most efficient thing to do is just grab and chuck. Grab and chuck them out. Because like this box goes deep and we got lots of things in here.
More Carl's Amazing Baits. Look like some 4-inch June bug. 4.25, yep.
Yeah.
4 1/4.
Exo swims and saw cross, 10,000 fish.
Plasma tails. Sprayed grass color, I think.
Exo sticks.
Yeah, those are pretty nice.
These look nice.
Yeah, I like those a lot.
More 10,000 fish saw cross, black and blue.
Man, y'all took out a lot of things, and yet it doesn't seem like we're anywhere to
Nope.
be done. Like all the heavy stuff is on the bottom.
More saw cross, probably black and blue color.
Sheesh. Yeah, you got some death stalkers. These things are, mwah. These are money. We got some bull gills. You know, from the challenge I was recently in, Catch Goes on the Line challenge, I got to paint my own boat. I got to paint my own bull gill, and I pretty much obliterated that. Now this actually comes in a pretty transparent color. I don't know if, all right, focus, focus, focus. Ah! Anyways, this is a transparent color. I'm sure it'll be great for ultra clear water. Holy cow, we got a lot of tackle to work with. I probably won't need to buy plastics or hard baits for a while. Let's just say that. Oh, that's a sick color. Yeah, show that off.
Alright, hold it.
What color is it?
Color says violet brim.
Ooh, that thing looks beautiful. I don't know if that ever focused. Yeah. What you looking at?
Got the bubonic bugs and blue bug, 2.5 inch, I think. And then a Guggen Squad mini clutch in Gold Rush.
Alright.
That looks really good.
As fun as going through all the tackle with you guys is, I'm pretty sure you guys already have seen a lot of this stuff and it kind of gets repetitive and boring. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this up right here, and I just want to say thank you. It is because of you guys that we are able to do this unboxing today. Now the problem is going to be loading these guys back in the boxes and back in the car. That's gonna be the tough stuff. The boys each got their own stuff, so I'm gonna let them pick out whatever they got and sort it out, but I'll see you in the next video. And as always, fish for the
Adventure.
woo. Last thing, if you guys were curious in seeing how all these baits together looked, I present to you Mount Baitmore. Now it doesn't look super tall, but I can assure you it is pretty wide.